everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some double trouble with one GT3RS and another GT3RS, both in lizard green. This video is going to be insane. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so I think there are only about 3 of these lizard green GT3RSs here in Utah. Gentlemen, we have 2 of them in today's video. Take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. 2 lizard green GT3RSs in the same video. No way. You guys, this is actually insane. We are rolling with 2 lizard green GT3RSs, and we are gonna head up Big Cottonwood Canyon to get some beautiful pictures with the fall leaves in both of these Porsches. I want you guys to go comment down below, which GT3RS are you taking? I'm not really sure because they're both like the exact same. I really like that it says GT3RS on the side on this one, but on this one it doesn't. On this one it's got a yellow roll cage. On this one it doesn't have a roll cage. I don't know, you guys. This is really hard to pick. Go comment down below, which one are you taking? This car is absolutely insane. I can't believe that we have the exact same color on the exact same car. I feel like this, you guys. This is insane. can't take these supercars out without getting the famous Taco Bell picture. That's right, baby.